Gulf Sound is a Gulfside ground-level triplex located at 2814 Gulf Drive in Holmes Beach. This 5-bedroom, 3-bath property is fully equipped with everything you need for your stay. Each unit has been updated and is comfortably furnished. It's quiet yet close to shopping, restaurants, and trolley stops. Best of all, this unit is west of Gulf Drive for easy beach access. There are no busy streets to cross and even a beach path leading from the back of the property to Avenue E. There is a large pool as well as a separate patio and grill for each unit. There is a washer and dryer in each unit for your use. The property includes free wireless internet. All 3 units together will accommodate 10 people and would be a wonderful spot for a Holmes Beach family reunion.